the wires to switch on the power supply. So green and black, mostly almost every power supply has the same wires. Green one and the black one are the switching wire. Please watch the complete video. Don't skip the video. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching Electromech Solutions. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with others and press bell icon for further notification. And I hope you will like this video. How to make 12 volt battery charger from the old computer power supply. As a rule of thumb, your charger should be 10% minimum of your battery's ampere hour rating. This means a 100 ampere hour battery would need a 10 ampere charger minimum. You can increase the battery charge ampere if you need the battery to be charged at a faster time frame. Our power supply maximum output is 16 ampere 12 volt. So we can make charger for up to 160 ampere hour battery easily. Let's start the practical. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our video is about how to make from old computer power supply to the battery charger. This battery charger can charge your battery up to the 150-160 ampere battery. So first of all we need this power supply and one digital multimeter to make the power battery charger. So let's start how to make the battery charger. First of all we should know how to make. See the configuration of the battery. As we need, our battery power supply has two input, 100 to 120 volt 9 ampere, 200 to 240 volt 4.5 ampere. The output is 5 plus 5 volt 22 ampere. Second, 12 volt 16 ampere. We need this 12 volt 16 ampere. This, if we will find where we will get this 12 volt 16 ampere, then we can make battery charger. So rest of all we don't need, 0.5 plus 5 plus 3, rest of we don't need. So let's start how to find. First of all we need, this is the main motherboard connector. This connector has the wires to switch on the power supply. So green and black, mostly almost every power supply has the same wires. Green one and the black one are the switching wire. Switch on the power supplies, these two wires are used. So we need to connect these wires with any conductor wire. So as I had connected, so I'm going to connect with 220. So I have connected. Let's check where we can find our 12 volt DC. we need we need to select meter on DC volt. I have selected on 12 volt DC. Every black wire in whole wires are the negatives, so we need to connect our meter black probe with the black wire. Then we will check where the 12 volt of DC is coming. See the voltmeter. Here you can see 5.16. Let it connect with the same. Check on the different wires. Here you can see 11.56, almost 12 volt. So these are the wires. We need these wires. Rest all the wires we don't require. If you want to make this power supply only a charger, then you can cut these wires or save these wires, fold these wires and connect your cut these wires. This is the yellow one are positive, black one are the black wires are negative. So you can take any two wires, cut them, and you can connect the crocodile plug in front of the wires, and you can charge the battery. So this is a simple way to charge the battery, to make the charger of the battery.